Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to do like a vlog style of me going to the gym. I actually started yesterday drinking a gallon a day. So I have this with me and I have not started yet, so I'm behind. It's already 10 o'clock and I still have to get further in the drinking process, but I already know while I'm at the gym I'm going to be drinking water like crazy, so I'm not even like worried about that. So yesterday I started and I did amazing. I did have to pee a lot, which is, it comes with it, you know. But now my goal is to see how I'm gonna maintain this, because right now I'm drinking water bottles that, you know, I've bought, but to be drinking a gallon every day I would have to keep buying a gallon of water bottles, and that it's getting pricey. So I don't really want to drink tap water, so I think I'm going to invest in like one of those I don't know what they're called, but those big gallons that, you know, they be having in the offices. Some people have it in their homes, but yeah. So I don't really know where I left off because my husband called and kind of interrupted, but I'm gonna, I do know, I'm gonna invest in one of those cooler, I really don't know, but one of those big gallons that they usually have in offices and stuff, to bring home, because I feel like that will help as far as like getting all the water we need, because I'm not the only one that drinks water in the house, and that's mainly our main drink, so it goes quick. And yeah, so that's enough about that. Like I just don't want to be spending money and we don't drink tap water. So if y'all got any suggestions on how y'all drink water in your everyday life, like let me know what works for y'all, what's cheaper, like all that good stuff. But yeah, right now I'm about to head to the gym. So I just finished my cardio workout. I hit a little over 350, and I actually didn't even realize because I was on my phone. So that's good. But right now I'm about to start my ab workout. I might throw in some glutes, but today is mainly focused on abs, and I'm going to be using the kettlebell. So yeah, let's get right into this. Got 13. honestly, my camera's about to die, and I want to do more exercises for you guys, but I didn't realize that this camera wasn't fully charged, so I'm gonna finish doing my workouts, but I'm just gonna label this as a ab video since I wasn't able to hold on. So these are my new ab workouts that I started. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just added in one. I can't breathe. I just added in one butt workout because my legs are tired and my camera's gonna die, and so I want to do the rest off camera so I can get out of the gym because I got other stuff to do today. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's about it. More fitness videos coming out. It's just, or not even fitness, but more fitness videos of my journey coming out. Let me know down below if you like this video, and I know it's pretty short, but yeah, this is just what I do. I don't if I'm doing sorry, I'm so out of breath, but if I'm doing like ab workouts, I usually do 3 to 5 a day, and then if I'm doing just abs, it's usually 5 or 6. But if I'm including something, it's usually 3 to 5. It depends on how I feel that day. Then I'll do like 3 of the other workouts. As far as like if it's a butt day, I'm gonna do 3 extra butt workouts, or if it's arms, I'll do 3 of those, you know, just because I feel like I'm not really trying to tone my arms or anything, and I do just have a butt day, a leg day, glutes day, so I'm not even like, anyway, I feel like I'm going into everything, but I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for following my journey with me. It has not been easy, and I'm trying to be more consistent as far as like actually putting footage out of me at the gym working out. So yeah, I'm about to get back to my workout. See you guys in my next video. Bye.